In this video, I'm going to do a room tour of a king-size room with a daybed in the Courtyard by Marriott in Nagoya, Japan. I'm going to show you the room and talk a little bit about the price and also show you the location of the hotel relative to the train station in Nagoya. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Okay, this is going to be the room tour of the Courtyard by Marriott in Nagoya, Japan. This is a king, I believe it's called a Comfort King with daybed. It was just the same price as a regular king, so but it does have a daybed, which is kind of cool. So anyway, it's the entryway here. Kind of a standard closet area. The main room here is pretty good sized. As you can see here, it's the king size bed. The TV here and your pretty standard type furnishings and things, but it does have this daybed, which is pretty nice, I think. Let's get this bench for your luggage. And actually haven't opened up in here yet. It's fridge, coffee maker, and some coffee and stuff. So as for the rest of the room here, now courtyards in Asia, especially in Japan, seems like they're a little bit nicer than the ones that are in the United States. We stayed in the one in Osaka. Shin Osaka Station is also quite nice. This one has a separate restaurant and everything. Breakfast is not included unless you are platinum or above. And even then, I don't know, I'd have to look at the chart, but I believe they do offer breakfast for platinum and above. So here's the bathroom. To move this closet door again, but there's the toilet area there. The layout of this hotel actually reminds me a lot of the AC Hotel in Ginza, which is one of my wife and I's favorite hotels. And we do have a room tour on that you can check out. We'll link it in the description. So anyway, there's the toilet area. Separate shower with the waterfall shower and the walk-in shower there. So again, it's pretty nice. Hotels in Nagoya are fairly cheap if you catch them, you book them early enough. I believe this room was about $140 a night or so. Actually, I think it might have even been less. I was going to stay here for 2 nights, and I think it was about 120 maybe US dollars for the second night. This night was actually a little more expensive. Not sure what's going on. I don't think it's a holiday or anything. It is a Saturday, but it's like the most expensive night of my entire trip. So, but I was able to book this room for 37,000 points, which to me is a good use of points. And again, the hotels for whatever reason were quite a bit more expensive today. So I believe that's about it. Again, the hotel does have a restaurant. It's in a nice area. It's right next to the river. I don't think we can see the river from the side of the hotel that I'm on. Cannot. But it is literally right next to the river. There's a lot of restaurants and nightlife and stuff here. I walked here from Nagoya Station. Drug my suitcase here with me. And I think it took me about 20 to 25 minutes. I wasn't moving too fast, but it is definitely within walking distance of the station. And it's in a pretty nice area of Nagoya. So anyway, this is the Courtyard by Marriott in Nagoya, Japan.